Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
One side, illegal sand extraction is rampant in the state of Goa, but other side, to start legal sand mining is getting delayed again and again. Recently, Goa State Environment Impact Assessment Authority held a meeting to decide about the environmental clearance, but it could not be decided because the authority felt that there is dispute or there is no clarity about the zone of South and North Goa in the river Mandvi and river Juari. So matter has been sent back to South Goa Collector and the Directorate of Mining to decide the zone that the further order can be implemented without any hassle, without any dispute. So for now, the issue of environmental clearance is delayed, and hence the issue of environmental clearance is delayed, and hence the sand mining is also delayed. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.